empower programmers to write cleaner code and solve problems more efficiently. These tools analyze your code in real time, identify errors, and offer improvement suggestions. AI can understand your code's context, predict your intent, and generate code snippets. With AI as your coding ally, writing complex software becomes a collaborative experience. One of the most significant advantages of embracing AI in your coding journey is the accelerated pace of learning it offers. Traditional coding education often involves a steep learning curve, requiring countless hours of study, practice, and often frustration. AI coding tools streamline this process, providing instant feedback, suggesting solutions, and guiding you towards best practices, enabling you to grasp concepts more quickly and effectively. Imagine having an AI assistant that not only identifies errors in your code, but also explains why they occurred and how to fix them. This personalized learning experience is invaluable for beginners who are still grappling with the fundamentals of coding. AI coding tools provide clear, concise explanations and examples, helping you understand the why behind the code, rather than simply memorizing syntax. For experienced programmers, AI coding tools act as productivity powerhouses, automating repetitive tasks, suggesting optimized code snippets, and freeing up valuable time to focus on higher-level problem-solving and innovation. No longer bogged down by tedious debugging or syntax errors, seasoned developers can leverage AI to streamline their workflow and bring projects to fruition more efficiently. This enhanced efficiency translates into faster development cycles, quicker iterations, and ultimately, a more rewarding coding experience. Whether you're learning the ropes or pushing the boundaries of software development, AI coding tools empower you to work smarter, not harder, unlocking new levels of productivity and accelerating your journey towards coding mastery. For many years, the world of coding has been perceived as an exclusive realm, accessible only to those with a natural aptitude for mathematics, logic, and complex problem-solving. This misconception has created a barrier to entry for countless individuals who might otherwise thrive in the creative and intellectually stimulating world of software development. However, AI is changing this narrative, demystifying coding and making it more approachable for everyone, regardless of their background or prior experience. AI coding assistants act as bridges, connecting the dots between abstract programming concepts and their practical applications. They provide a supportive scaffolding for beginners, guiding them through the initial hurdles of learning a new language and offering encouragement along the way. With AI by their side, individuals who once felt intimidated by coding can approach it with a newfound sense of confidence and curiosity. Moreover, AI coding tools break down the language barrier that often prevents individuals from pursuing coding education or careers. Many of these tools are designed to be language agnostic, meaning they can assist with coding in multiple programming languages, making coding accessible to a global audience. This democratization of coding is not just about individual empowerment, it's about fostering a more inclusive and diverse tech industry. By breaking down the barriers that once prevented many from pursuing careers in coding, AI is paving the way for a future where innovation knows no bounds and where individuals from all walks of life can contribute to shaping the digital landscape. Embarking on your coding journey with AI assistance begins with selecting the right tool, your AI coding companion. Think of this as choosing a partner for a challenging but rewarding adventure. You want a companion that understands your needs and is patient and supportive. The world of AI coding tools is brimming with options, each offering unique features. For beginners, user-friendly AI coding assistants like ChatGPT, GitHub Copilot, and Replit are excellent starting points. These tools provide intuitive interfaces, helpful suggestions, and a wealth of resources. They act as patient tutors, offering explanations in plain English. Experiment with different tools and choose the one that feels most intuitive and supportive for your coding journey. With your AI coding companion, the next step is choosing a programming language. Think of programming languages as tools in a craftsman's workshop, each designed for specific tasks. For beginners, Python is an excellent choice due to its readability and beginner-friendly syntax. Once you've chosen your language, set up your coding environment. Visual Studio Code is a popular, customizable code editor for Python development. With your AI companion, chosen language, and setup, you're ready to start coding. Section 3, From Novice to Coder, your first AI-assisted coding project. The best way to learn to code is by diving in and building something. With your AI coding companion by your side, you don't need to wait until you've mastered the intricacies of a programming language to start creating. Begin with small, manageable projects that pique your interest and gradually increase the complexity as you gain confidence. A classic first project for aspiring coders is building a simple text-based game, like a guessing game or a choose-your-own-adventure story. These projects introduce fundamental programming concepts like variables, loops, and conditional statements in a fun and engaging way. Your AI coding companion can assist you with syntax, suggest code snippets, and even help you debug errors as you bring your game to life. Another rewarding project for beginners is creating a personal website or portfolio. This project allows you to learn the basics of web development, including HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, while showcasing your skills and interests to the world. AI coding assistants can help you structure your website, suggest design elements, and even generate code for interactive features. As you gain confidence, don't be afraid to challenge yourself with more complex projects. Explore different areas of coding that interest you, whether it's data visualization, game development, or mobile app development. The key is to choose projects that excite you and keep you motivated to learn and grow as a coder. With each project you complete, you'll gain valuable experience, reinforce your coding skills, and expand your portfolio of accomplishments. As Section 4, AI, your 24/7 coding mentor. In the traditional model of learning to code, you often encounter roadblocks, moments of frustration when you hit a wall and can't seem to find a way forward. You might spend hours scouring online forums, poring over documentation, or seeking help from more experienced programmers. While these resources are valuable, they don't always provide instant gratification or personalized guidance. Enter your AI coding companion, a 24/7 coding mentor that's always available to answer your questions, offer suggestions, and help you overcome coding challenges. No longer do you need to struggle in isolation when you encounter a roadblock. Simply ask your AI coding companion for assistance, and it will provide clear explanations, relevant code examples, and even suggest alternative approaches. But AI coding companions are more than just walking encyclopedias of coding knowledge. They are also learning tools that can adapt to your individual learning style and pace. As you interact with your AI coding companion, it learns your preferences, understands your coding style, and tailors its suggestions accordingly, providing a personalized learning experience that's tailored to your specific needs. Don't hesitate to ask your AI coding companion questions, even if they seem basic or trivial. The more you interact with it, the more it learns about your coding journey, and the better equipped it becomes to provide relevant and helpful guidance. Embrace the opportunity to have a 24/7 coding mentor by your side, ready to assist you every step of the way as you navigate the exciting world of coding. Section 1. The Power of Habit, Making Coding a Daily Ritual. Consistency is key. Make coding a daily habit like brushing your teeth. Section 2. Experimentation, the key to unlocking coding mastery. Experiment, make mistakes, and learn. Use your AI coding companion to explore and innovate. Section 3. Building confidence through consistent action. Consistent coding builds confidence. Embrace the journey and celebrate your progress. Section 1. Unlocking efficiency, coding, smarter, not harder. AI tools streamline coding, freeing you to focus on creativity and innovation. Section 2. Accelerated learning, from novice to proficient, faster. AI tutors accelerate learning, providing instant feedback and personalized guidance. Section 3. Future-proofing your skill set. Thriving in the age of AI. Learning to code with AI future-proofs your skill set, making you valuable in the job market. Embracing the AI revolution, a catalyst for change. AI is a tool for growth and innovation, not replacement. Embrace it to solve complex problems. Unlocking your potential. AI as your empowering ally. AI empowers you in education and work, helping you focus on creative and strategic tasks. Shaping the future with AI by our side. Embrace AI with transparency and inclusivity to create a better future for all. Embracing the future of coding. Your AI-powered journey begins now. Begin your coding journey with AI. Embrace creativity, innovation, and limitless possibilities.